Somalia, official Federal Republic of Somalia, is the easternmost country in continental Africa. The country is located in the Horn of Africa and is bordered by Ethiopia to the west, Djibouti to the northwest, Kenya to the southwest, the Gulf of Aden to the north, and the Indian Ocean to the east. Somalia, the longest coastline on Africa mainland. Somalia has an
Bandara Internasional Soekarno-Hatta, bandara terbesar di Indonesia sekaligus bandara tersibuk di Indonesia. Kita bahas ya guys. Bandara Internasional Soekarno-Hatta ini terletak di Cengkareng, Tangerang, Banten guys, dengan kode CGK. Memiliki 3 terminal utama, terminal 1, terminal 2, dan ini terminal 3 ya guys. Untuk berpindah antar terminal kalian bisa menggunakan Kalayan dan juga bus shelter. Soekarno-Hatta ini juga memiliki 3 landasan pacu atau 3 runway ya guys. Dan pastinya Bandara Soekarno-Hatta ini melayani 47 rute domestik dan juga internasional guys. Kabarnya setelah revitalisasi semua terminal di Bandara Soekarno-Hatta ini akan menampung sekitar 100 juta penumpang per tahunnya guys. Akses Somaliland itu kalian bisa menggunakan dari dan ke Bandara Soekarno-Hatta dengan bus, Damri, Transjakarta, lalu ada KRL Bandara atau KRL Basuta. Itu kalian naiknya bisa pesan di aplikasi atau bisa pesan langsung di stasiunnya guys. Kalian juga bisa naik taksi online dan juga layanan online lainnya seperti Grab atau Gojek. Lalu kalian bisa bawa belum dari sendiri ya guys. Kalau gue sih seringnya ke Bandara Soekarno-Hatta ini pakai mobil dan pakai kereta bandara. Kalau pakai kereta bandara sih benar-benar efisien banget ya. Dan harganya pun murah, sekitar 75 sampai 70 ribuan. Bahkan kalau hoki bisa dapat 15.000 aja. Coba kalian komen pendapat kalian di bawah mengenai Bandara Soekarno-Hatta. Jangan lupa like, comment, dan follow. Stay tune.
The subsequent insurgency which armed Rasulullah Muhammad SAW, the ICU fragment into various rebel factions, including the militant group Al-Sabah, which waged a protected conflict against Ethiopian forces. Al-Sabah some began asserting territorial control for the first time, and by late 2008, the insurgency drove the Ethiopian army on the march of Somalia. In 2009, a new DFG government was established by mid-2012. Al-Sabah has most of its territory during fighting against the DFG and African Union troops that some share. Al-Sabah battled against the Al-Qaeda. The insurgents still control much of central and southern Somalia and will influence in government-controlled areas, with the town of Zilid action as the de facto capital for the insurgents. A new provincial constitution was issued in August 2012, reforming Somalia as a federation. The zone now one. The federal government of Somalia was formed and a period of reconstruction began in Mogadishu. Somalia is among the less developed countries in the world, as evidenced by its rank in metrics such as GDP per capita, and it is positioned near the bottom of the Human Development Index, above only South Sudan. It has maintained an information economy mainly based on livestock remittance from Somalis working abroad. And telecommunication, it is a member of the United Nations, the Arab League, Africa Union, Non-Aligned Movement, East African Community, and the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Economy, main article economy in Somalia. Air Somalia to below TU 154 in Jaharja. United Arab Emirates Somalia today has several private airlines. According to the CIA, the Central Bank of Somalia, with in civil unrest, the Somali economy is primarily limited to livestock, remittance or money transfers from Somalis living in more economically advanced countries, and local telecommunication, owing to the of formal government statistics and ongoing regardless long interaction of civil war. It is difficult to give the gist or growth of the economy. For 1991, the CIA estimated to GDP at $3.3 million. In 2001, it was estimated to be $4.1 billion. By 2009, the CIA estimated that the GDP had grown to $5.731 billion, with a projected growth rate of 2.6%, according to 2007 British Chamber of reporting on a period of relatively less international warfare. The private sector also grow, particularly in the service sector, unlike the pre-civil war period, when most service and the industrial sector were government-run. The 2007 report noted substantial albeit measured private investment in commercial activities. This has been largely financed by the Somali diaspora and include trade and marketing, money transfer service, transportation, communication, equipment, airline, telecommunication, education, health, contribution, and hotels. In 2007, Libertarian Economy Federation attributed the increased economic activity to the Somali customary law referred to as shirk, which suggests profit a stable environment to conduct business in. According to the Central Bank of Somalia, the country GDP per capita as of 2012 was $226, a still reduction in real terms from 1990. About 43% of the population live on less than $1 a day, with around 24% of those found in urban areas and 54% living in rural areas. Somalia's economy consists of both traditional and modern production, with a product gradual shift toward modern industry techniques. Somalia has the largest population of camel in the world. According to the Central Bank of Somalia, about 18% of the population are nomadic or semi-nomadic pastoralists who take goats, sheep, camels, and cattle. The nomads also gather raising and goods to supplement their income. Now, agriculture in the most important economic sector of Somalia is account for about 65% of the GDP and employment 65% or percent of the workforce. Livestock contributes about 40% to GDP and more than 50% of export earning. Other principal exports include rice, cocoa, and banana, sugar, sorghum, and corn are produced for the domestic market. According to the Central Bank of Somalia, import of goods total about $460 million per year, surpassing a great import prior to the start of the Civil War in 1991. Export with total about $270 million annually. Have also surpassed pre-war aggregate export leave Somalia has a trade deficit about $190 million per year. But this is exceeded by remittance sent by Somali in the diaspora, estimated to be about $1 billion. With the advantage of being located near the Arabian Peninsula, Somali trade have increasingly begun to challenge Australia's traditional dominance over the Gulf Arab livestock and meat market. Offering quality animal and very low price in response, Gulf Arab states have started to make strategic investment in the country with Saudi Arabia. Building livestock export infrastructure and the United Arab Emirates, purchasing largest farmland. Somalia is also a major world supply of frankincense and myrrh. The port of Berbera, the modest industrial sector, is on the purchasing in agricultural products, account for 10% of Somali's GDP. According to the Somali Chamber of Commerce and Industry, over 6 private airline firms also offer commercial flights to both domestic and international locations, including the Alu Airlines, Juga Airlines, African Express Airlines, West Africa 540, Central Air, and Hachara. In 2008, the Puntland government secured a multi-million dollar deal with Dubai's Lat Group, a regional industrial group operating in the Middle East and Africa. According to the agreement, the price of the investment is worth $170 million and will see a set of new companies established to operate, manage, and build Bosasos free trade zone and see and import airport facilities. The Bosaso Airports Company is set to develop the airport complex to meet international standards, including a new 3,400 m or 11,200 ft runway, main and auxiliary building, taxi and apron areas, and security perimeters prior to the outbreak of the Civil War in 1991. The roughly 53 state-owned small, medium, and largest manufacturing firms were founding with the ensuing conflict, destroying many of the remaining industries, however, primarily as a result of substantial local investment by the Somali diaspora. Many of the small sales plants have reopened and new ones have been created. The latter include fish canning and meat processing plant in the northern region, as well as about 25 factories in the Mogadishu area which manufactures pasta, mineral water, confection, plastic bags, fabrics, hair and skins, detergent and soap, aluminum foam metals and pillow, using about cherry of packaging and stone processing. In 2004, and $4 or 8.3 million. Coca-Cola milling plant also operate in the city, with investors hailing from various constituents in Somalia. Foreign investment also included multinational, include General Motors and Dollar Monetary and Payment System, main article Central Bank of Somalia and Somali Shilling, African Wildlife, Leopard 1 2022. Somalia 1 as silver coin, Leopard 1 shilling. The Central Bank of Somalia is the official monetary authority in Somalia. In the name of financial management, it is in the process of assuming the tax output, formulating and implementing monetary policy. Owing to a lack of confidence in the central currency, the US dollar is will accept as a medium of exchange alongside the Somalia shilling or shilling dollarization. Notwithstanding the larger issuance of the Somali shilling has increasingly fluctuated, especially for low value transaction. According to the central bank, this inflation environment is expected to come to an end as soon as the bank assumes full control of monetary policy and replace the currently circulating currency introduced by the private sector. Although Somalia has had no central monetary authority for more than 15 years prior to the outbreak of the civil war in 1991. And the subsequent re-establishment of the Central Bank of Somalia in 2009, the nation payment system is failed, and primarily due to widespread extent of private money transfer operators (MTO) that has acted as informal banking network. The remittance freeze wealth have become the largest industry in Somalia, with an estimated $1.6 billion annually remitted to the region by Somali in the diaspora via money transfer companies. Which are a member of the Somali Money Transfer Association (SOMTA), an umbrella organization that regulates the community's money transfer sector, or its predecessor, the Somali Financial Service Association (SFSE), the largest of the Somali NDOS, is WCL, a Somali owned from employing more than 2,000 people across 144 countries with branches in London and Dubai. 500 Somali shilling banknote. With a significant improvement in local security, Somali expatriates began returning to the countries for investment. Opportunities coupled with modern foreign investment, the inflow of funds have helped the Somali shilling increase considerably in value. By March 2014, the currency had appreciated by almost 60% against the US dollar. Of the previous 12 months, the Somali shilling was the strong among the 175 global currency trade by Bloomberg, reaching close to 50 percentage point higher than the next most robust global currency over the same period.
The hottest city in Somalia. We just had an amazing breakfast.
The Somalia Stock Exchange (SSA), International Bursa of Somalia, which was founded in 2012, to attract investment from both Somali-owned firms and global companies in order to accelerate the ongoing post-conflict reconstruction process in Somalia. Energy and natural resources. Somalia main article of industry and oil exploration in Puntland. The World Bank report that electricity is now in largest part supplied by the local business. Among the domestic first is the Somali Energy Company, which performed generation, transmission, and distribution of electric power in 2010. The nation product 310 million kWh and consumed 288.3 million kWh of electric tank. 170 and 177 respectively, according to the CIA at updates. Mekir, Dar Valley Plate, Puntland, Negal Valley Block, Somaliland. Oil block in Puntland. Somalia has reserves of several natural resources, including uranium, iron ore, tin, gypsum, bauxite, copper, salt, and natural gas. The CIA reported that there are 500 or 5,663 billion cubic meter of proven natural gas reserves now. The presence or extent of proven oil reserve in Somalia is uncertain. The CIA asserted that as of 2011, there are no proven reserves of oil in the country. Will suggest that most proven oil reserves in Somalia lie of its northwest coast in the Somaliland region and oil group listed in Society 9. Researchers estimated that the Puntland region in the northwest has the potential to produce 500 billion barrels or 790 10 6 meter cubic to 10 billion barrels or 1.6 10 9 meter cubic of oil, compared to the 6.7 billion barrels of proven oil reserve in Sudan. As a result of this development, the Somalia Petroleum Corporation was established by the federal government in the last 1960 UN. Geologists discovered major uranium deposit and other rare mineral reserve in Somalia, which was the largest of its kind, with industry export estimating that the amount of the deposit could amount to over 25% of the world then known uranium reserve of 800 tons in 1984. The IUREP orientation-based mission, the Somali reported that the country had 500 tons of uranium reasonably assured resource. 11,000 tons of uranium estimated additional resources. IAR.
Relaxing sound when you're standing here. You're just doing such a good move. So here we have the
Incalculate deposit as well as 0 to 150 tons of uranium speculative resources which are in sandstone and calcite deposits. Somalia evolved into a major world supplier of uranium with American, UAE, Italian, and Brazilian mineral companies vying for extraction rate. Link natural resource has a stake in the central region, and Kilimanjaro capital has a stake in the 1,161,400 acres, or 100 we 470 Tetu HA Amsas Kriol Afgoy ECL block, which include uranium exploration. Transnational Industrial Electricity and Gas Company is an energy conglomerate. Recent in Mogadishu, it unites with major Somalia companies from the trade, finance, security, and telecommunication sector. Following a 2010 joint agreement signed in Istanbul to provide electricity and gas infrastructure in Somalia, with an initial investment budget of $1 billion, the company launched the Somali Peace Dividend Project, a labor-intensive energy program aimed at facilitating local industrialization initiative. According to the Central Bank of Somalia, as the national embarks on the part of reconstruction, the economy is expert not only to match its principal values, but also to accelerate in growth and development due to Somalia's untapped natural resource. Telecommunication and media, and article communication in Somalia, and media of Somalia. The armed telecom building in Mogadishu. After the start of the civil war, various new telecommunication companies began to spring up and compete to provide missing infrastructure funded by Somali entrepreneurs and packed with expertise from China, South Korea, and Europe. This now scan telecommunication firm over double mobile phone and internet service that are not available in many other parts of the continent. Customer can conduct money transfers, such as the popular BC, and other banking activities via mobile phone, as well as early agent use internet access. Other farming partnership with multinational corporation, such as Spain, ITT, and Telenor. Different now over than cooperates and credit call in Africa. This telecommunication Somalia companies also provide service to every city and town in Somalia. There are presently around 25 main line per 1,000 person, and the local availability of telephone line to this city is greater than in neighboring countries. Greater than in adjacent Ethiopia. Prominent Somalian telecommunication companies include Kulis Telecom Group, Harmut Telecom, Somafwan, National Link, Netco Telkom, and Somalia Telecom Group. Harmut Telecom alone grows about $40 billion a year, despite their rivalry. Reserve of the company signed an interconnectivity deal in 2005 that also them to set peace mainly and expand their network and ensure that company chain does not get out of control. The state runs Somalia National Television in the principal national public service channel. After a 20 years hiatus, the station was officially relaunched on 4 April 2011. Its radio counterpart, Radio Mogadishu, also broadcasts from the capital, Somaliland National TV and Puntland TV and Radio Air from the northern regions. Additionally, Somalia has several private television and radio networks. Among these are Cable Television and Universal TV, the political Shongdan and Jong Ogal, and Oriel Sport broadcast published on the capital. There are also a number of online media covering local news, including Grow Online, Weather News, and Puntland Post. The international country code the top-level domain CCTLD for Somalia is so it was obviously related on 1 November 2010. BISO registry, which is regulated by the National Ministry of Post and Telecommunication in November 2013. Following a memorandum of understanding signed by Emirates Post in April of the year, the Federal Ministry of Post and Telecommunication officially John situated the Somalia Postal Service Somali Post in October 2014. The ministry also relaunched postal delivery from abroad. Somalia has a number of local attractions consisting of historic sites, beaches, waterfall, mountain range, and national park. The tourist industry is regulated by the National Ministry of Tourism. The autonomous Puntland and Somalia region maintain their own tourism operation. The Somalia Tourism Association (SOMTA) also profit consultant service from which the national tourism industry. As of March 2015, the Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife invested down that is set to establish a detention resort and wildlife range. The United States government recommend travelers to travel to Somalia, notably seek include the last travelers containing Neolithic the Kalmat Base Mountain and Uku Mountain, the Isis and Lam Waterfall, and the Verdeisa National Park, Jirip National Park, Kismayo National Park, and Lake Badana National Park, and Somalia of African in Somalia, the Aden International Airport. Somalia travel overall in 20 km. Langas om set are private and 19,492 km 12 mi are above 750 km 470 mi were connect major cities in the northern part of the country such as Bosaso, Galkayo and Karawi, with towns in south. 62 airport across Somalia accommodated aerial transportation. 7 of those have covered runway. Among the latter, 4 airports have runway of over 3,047 meters, or 9,997 ft. 2 are between 2,438 and 3,047 m, or 7,999 and 9,997 ft. One is 1.524 m, 5,279 ft. There are 55 airports with overlanding areas. There is a runway of over 3,000 for are between 2,438 meters and 3,047 m in length. The only are production 2,457 m, 24 north and 152 m and 614 meters, 299 major airport in the region including Aden International Airport in Malaysia, the Merdeis International Airport in Malaysia, the Kismayo Airport in Kismayo, the Baidua Airport in Baidua, and the Bender Haisin International Airport in Bosaso. Established in 1964, Somalia Airlines was the flag carrier of Somalia. It suspended operation during the Civil War. However, a reconstituted Somali government later began repression in 2012 and expanded the laws of the airline with the first new Somalia Airlines aircraft scheduled for delivery by the end of December 2013. According to the Somalian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, the void created by the close of Somali Airlines has been filled by various Somali-owned private carriers. Over 6 of those private airlines roam over commercial fleet to both domestic and international locations, including the AALO Airline, Juba Airline, African Export Airways, East Africa 540, Central Air, and Hachara. Processing the longest coastline on the continent, Somalia has several major seaport maritime transport facilities are found in the port cities of Mogadishu, Bosaso, Berbera, Kismayo, and Mercha. There is also one merchant marine established in 208. It is Karko Bishet. Somaliland, official the Republic of Somaliland, is an unrecognized country in the Horn of Africa. It is located in the southern coast of the Gulf of Aden and bordered by Djibouti to the northwest, Ethiopia to the south and west, and Somalia to the east. Its climate territory has an area of 176 or 120 square kilometer, 6,000 or 68,000 SKMI, with approximately 62 million people as of 2024. The capital and largest city is Hargeisa. Various Somali Muslim kingdoms were established in the area during the early Islamic period, including in the 15 countries the Zayli Bisat Adel Sultanate. In the early modern prophet sectors, the Adel Sultanate emerged, including the Isak Sultanate, which was established in the middle of the 18th country. In the late 19th country, the United Kingdom seeked agreement with various clans in the area, establishing the Somaliland Protectorate, which was formally granted independence by the United Kingdom as the state of Somaliland in 26 June 1950. 5 days later, the state of Somaliland voluntarily united with the territory of Somalia. The former Italian Somalia to form the Somali Republic. The union of the two states proved problematic early on, and in response to the West policies enacted by Somalis working against the main clan family in Somaliland, the Isak sought after the conclusion of the Pro-Ogaden War. A 10-year war of independence concluded with the declaration of Somaliland independence in 1991. The government of Somaliland regarded itself as the sector state to bridge Somaliland. Since 1991, the territory has been governed by democratically elected government that accept international recognition. As the government of the Republic of Somaliland, the central government maintained informal ties with some foreign government, who has a delegation to Gargaise. Somaliland has representative officials from several countries, including Ethiopia and Taiwan. The Somaliland proclaimed independence has not been officially recognized by any UN member state or international organization. It is the largest unrecognized state in the world with de facto control land area. It is a member of the Unrepresented Nation and People Organization. An Ado-Vatanji group, which members consist of indigenous people, minorities, and unrecognized or occupied territories. Following the land and conflict that emerged in 2022, Somaliland lost control of a significant portion of its eastern territory to the pro-unionist force who established the SSG Katomo administration. Main article economy of Somaliland. Somaliland has the 40 lowest GDP per capita in the world and the ad hoc socio-economy challenge for Somaliland. With an unemployment rate by 190% among youth, so that here, according to ILO, there exists up to 70% in several areas of Somaliland, especially among females and the elder population. GDP 2018. Somalia 2012 1,400, 2013 1,800, 2014 under 2,200, 2015 under 2,400, 2019 under 2,400, 2070 under 220, under
we are very sorry.
2,400, 2028.
Adaletine ve Türk adalet sistemine güvenimiz tamdır.
Since Somaliland is recognized international donor, the fund is difficult to profit. As a result, the government relies mainly upon tax repayment and remittances for the large Somali diaspora, which contribute significantly to the Somaliland economy. Remittances to Somaliland money transfer companies, the largest of which is Dahabsi, one of the few Somali money transfer companies that confirm the modern money transfer regulation. The World Bank estimated that remittances were approximately $1 billion Somali annually from emigrants working in the Gulf state, Cuba and the United States. Analysts say the Dahabsil may add around 2/3 of that figure and as much as half of it is Somaliland alone. Since the late 1991 or 1990, service provision have significantly improved to limit government provision and contribution from non-governmental organization, religious group, the international community, especially the diaspora. The growing private sector, local and municipal government have been developing public sector service provision such as water and Hargeisa, and education, electricity, and security. In Berbera, in 2009, the Bank for Commercial and Industry Merauke, BCIMR, based in Djibouti, opened a branch in Hargeisa and became the first bank in the country since the 1990s. Collapse of the Islamic and Saving Bank of the Somalia in 2014, Dahabsi Bank International became the country first commercial bank. In 2017, Premier Bank from Mogadishu opened a branch in Hargeisa. Monetary and payment system. Main article Bank of Somaliland and Somaliland Shilling. 500 Somaliland Shilling, 1,000 Somaliland Shilling, 5,000 Somaliland Shilling. The Somaliland Shilling, which count easily by exchange outside of Somaliland on account of the national law of recognition, is regulated by the Bank of Somaliland, the central bank, which was established constitutionally in 1994. The most popular and used payment system in the country in the ZIID service, which is mobile money transfer service that was launched in Somaliland in 2019. and by the largest mobile operator, Telesom.